Is your mower ready to mow? It's a question that you need to ask yourself. As fall ended, you tucked your mower away and you forget about it until finally that nice weather is here. And you find yourself every day checking to see if your grass needs to be cut. Now, if you're nodding along with everything I've said so far, you need to ask yourself, is your mower ready? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple checklist that you can do to get your mower ready for when that day finally comes and you can get out in the lawn and mow like you've never mowed before. So don't go anywhere, because this video is starting right now. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I am the Lawn Daddy, and this is Small Town Lawns, where I help you improve the overall look of your lawn. And on this channel, I'm going to show you lawn care tips that you can use to take your lawn and make it the talk of the neighborhood. So if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. Maintaining your mower is no different than maintaining your car. You need to change the oil frequently, rotate the tires, and change out the air filters when they're dirty. By performing these tasks, you optimize the overall performance of your car. There is absolutely no difference when it comes to your mower. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick and easy checklist that you can do in early spring to help get your mower ready to mow when you're ready to mow. Alright, so let's talk about each step real quick in our checklist, and then we'll get our mower outside and get started. So, our checklist consists of 3 steps. Well, wait a minute. It actually consists of 4 steps. Now, you know what? Let's just say our checklist consists of 3.5 steps. The first thing I like to do every spring is to wash and clean the mower. But first, I like to take the blade off so we have full access to cleaning the deck of our mower. Now, while our blade is off, that will lead into our second step, which is sharpening the blade. So let's get outside, get our mower out, and get this spring season started. If you've never sharpened a mower blade before, it can be pretty intimidating. So, an option you might want to look at is buying a second set of blades. That's what I did. I went to my local home hardware and I bought a set for about $15. And that's Canadian dollars. Just be sure to buy the right set. In my case, it's 22 inches, and follow the instructions and make sure you install it correctly. If you've never done this before, I'll show you a quick and easy way to sharpen your blades. Now, before we head back outside, guys, I want you to leave a comment down below and let me know if you're as excited as I am for spring. And also, let me know if you've done any blade changes or oil changes on your mower. So make sure to smash that like button if you're enjoying this video. And did you happen to notice how green my grass was earlier on in the video? Alright guys, so let's get back to the mower and I'll show you how to put the new blades on. Okay, so when it comes to sharpening the old blades, you can either use a file or you can use a disc grinder. In this case, I'm going to use a disc grinder, but either way works the same. And as always, guys, always remember safety first. You're going to want to wear your safety glasses when sharpening the blade. When using either a file or a disc grinder, you don't want to apply too much pressure. You want to let the tool find the edge and apply nice, even pressure along the blade edge. Now that our mower is clean and the blade's changed, we come up to our third step, which is changing the oil. Now, I don't know about you, but to me, changing the oil seems like a lot of work, and especially if you've never done it before. So, like many of you, I went on YouTube looking for easier ways to do it. And since you can find anything on YouTube, I came across a video by Jimmy Lewis and Alan Hain, and they show you a super easy way on how to change the oil in your mower. So, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So let's hurry up, get outside, or you're gonna miss it. So let's go. All right, so what you see in this picture here is a regular old shop vac. You're gonna need the top part of a 2-liter bottle of pop. Yes, up here in Canada, we say pop. You're gonna wanna make sure to keep the cap on. Now, you're also gonna need a large mason jar. You're gonna need some vinyl tubing and some poly tubing. And you're going to need a 3/8 drill bit that you're going to use to drill 2 holes into the mason jar, and you're going to drill a 3/8 hole into the top of the 2-liter bottle. Now I'll put all the sizes and lengths into the description below, but now it's time to get to the fun part. So I need to add a little bit of gas to the mower so I can run it and warm up the oil. The oil doesn't like to move freely when it's cold. So you're going to want to let the mower run for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, remember the top of that 2-liter bottle of pop? You're going to want to take that and stick it inside the hole on the shop vac. You take the other end of that tube and stick it into one of the holes in the mason jar. Next, you're going to want to remove the dipstick and you put the piece of poly tubing inside the oil tank, and then stick the other end inside the second hole on the mason jar. Now, I wasn't really sure if this was going to work or not, but as you're going to see here in a moment, watch, ready? I can't tell you how excited I was when this actually worked, and it was super easy to build. Now, I do want to mention that this is not my design. I found it on YouTube, but I'll put all the materials down in the description below in case you want to build it yourself. All right, now that we've taken out all the old oil, now it's time to put in the new oil. So I'm using some 10W30 and it's fully synthetic. Now you're going to want to make sure that you check your manual first, as your mower might require something different. And finally, we're going to be changing the air filter. They're really simple to change and they're really cheap. So let me show you what I'm going to be using. This is the air filter I'm going to be using today. It's a simple Briggs & Stratton air filter that, again, you can pick up at your local hardware store. In my case, I picked it up at Canadian Tire. That's Canadian Tire. Now, you don't have to replace your air filter every year. You can simply blow it out and that'll work. But replacing the air filter every year is something that I prefer to do. It's only $10 and it really doesn't break the bank. As you can see, very clear difference which one's the old one, which one's the new one. Now, if you want to see more lawn care videos like this one here, then check out this video where I show you some steps that you can take to get your lawn ready for spring. Or check out this video where I show you the must-have lawn care equipment that you need to help improve the overall look of your lawn now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video helps you get your mower ready and spring is finally here. Stay safe, everyone, and enjoy your day in the lawn.